Okay, this is 6a, and the directions are to put it in standard form. So standard form looks like ax squared plus bx plus c. So a, b, and c are just numbers, and they need to be in this order. So it could have an equal 0 at the end. That equal 0 could also be on the left. It doesn't actually have to be on the right. So the first thing you want to do is see what's not currently in standard form. What's making it not in standard form? And in this case, it's this 5. So typically it's the one that's by itself that we want to move, because it's a lot easier to move one thing than two things. So in order for this to equal 0 on this side, because that's what I need it to look like, I need it to equal 0, I need to subtract 5 on both sides. So 5 minus 5 is 0, and what I do to one side, I do to the other. Now notice I'm not lining it up under anything, because it is not a like term with anything. So it doesn't actually matter where you write it on the right side of the equal sign. So I'm going to rewrite this in standard form. My x squared term is first, then my x term, then my constant. So it has to be in that order. It doesn't have to look like this. I think that gets confusing for some people. These mean the exact same thing mathematically. So it's okay that our 0 is on the left. It can also look like this, and these mean the exact same thing. The key is that it has to be in this order: x squared, then the x, then the constant. And when you move something from one side to the other side, it changes the sign. So now you are going to finish 6b and 6c on your own.